Hello friends, today we're gonna make some crispy fried chicken and then we're gonna put it on a waffle and drizzle with a delicious honey glaze. Chicken and waffles are some of my favorite restaurant brunch meals and it's really nice to make them at home. They're so delicious and very easy to make. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs and legs for this recipe, and we're going to season with some spices including paprika, garlic and onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper. Next, we're going to add some plain yogurt, then mix everything together. The yogurt will help make the chicken very tender and juicy. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to allow the chicken to marinate for about 2 hours, so cover it with saran wrap and place it in the fridge. Next, we're going to season some flour and eggs with the same spices we used on the chicken. Mix everything in. Once the chicken has finished marinating, we're going to grab each chicken, then coat it on all sides in the flour. Next, coat the chicken on all sides in the egg mixture, then transfer the chicken back into the flour to give it one last coat. Repeat this process with all your chicken and then it's time to fry them. On medium-high heat, heat up some vegetable oil. Once the oil gets very hot, add the chicken. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. You can fry about 4 chicken at a time. We're frying the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes or until they turn nice and golden brown, just like these. Once all the chicken has been fried, go ahead and set them aside for later. These smell so good and they're so crispy. Next, we're going to make the waffles. In my bowl, I have some flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Go ahead and mix everything together, then add some eggs, vegetable oil, some milk, plain yogurt to make the waffles fluffy, vanilla extract, then we're going to mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, it's time to cook the waffles. My waffle iron is already preheated and sprayed with nonstick spray. Pour a spoonful of the waffle batter into the waffle iron and let it cook for about 3 minutes or so, or until the waffle maker tells you it's ready. Once the waffle looks golden brown, it's ready. Take it out and set it aside for later. The waffles are so soft and fluffy. Next, we're going to make a delicious balsamic honey glaze for the chicken and waffles. In this pan, I have some honey. Into that, I'm adding balsamic vinegar. We're also adding some spices including garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together and let it simmer on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now it's time to serve. Place a fried chicken over a waffle, then drizzle the honey balsamic glaze all over it. This honey balsamic glazed chicken and waffle came out so good. The chicken is very juicy on the inside and crispy tender on the outside. It's very comforting and the perfect brunch. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.